In this video, I will teach you how to use the Filmora Go app to edit your smartphone videos. I am Dr. John Davis Akkara, an ophthalmologist, and I will use Filmora Go to edit some videos from the smartphone Fundus camera, the Hope Scope. On the left, I press Create New Video and I go to my camera videos and I select this video and I press Add on the bottom right to add that video to the selection on the left. I press back on the top left and I can add one more video in the same manner. I can press back and add one more video on the same manner. I press next and these videos are selected into the editing menu. If I press play now, you can see that there is background noise and the videos are completely unedited. I want to remove the background music, so I press music on the right, press plus. I can add selected music from the presets, or I can press more and add more. So this is the music which I've added right now. This music extends from where I want it to. So I've selected this to the extreme left and this to the extreme right. Press OK. And I want to edit the video. So I press the clip 1 and these are all Fundus videos taken through the smartphone Fundus camera. So they are inverted. I press rotate on the bottom and I press rotate right twice. Now the video is the right side up. I press the bottom left clip 1, I change to clip 2 and again press rotate twice so that it is right side up. Again go to clip 3, rotate right. Now all the three videos are right side up. Now I go to the clip 1 again and I want to trim the clip. So I want only a little bit of the clip for a demo. So I choose the starting point and the ending point of my video and I press OK. Now I go to clip 2 and again I can crop the clip. That means I can zoom and remove the excess part from the sides. Press OK and I want to trim this clip so that only the required part of the clip is there. So this is how I'm trimming the clip and I press OK. Now I go to the third clip. Third clip also has to be trimmed in the same manner. I select a little part of the clip where the fundus is properly seen and I finish the crop there. Press OK. Add title. So on the bottom here there are again titles which you can add. Go to title. I select one of the preset title formats. There are several available. I choose and I press the text keyboard and I write what's at the fovea. I can add another title for this. I can write macular scar. Subtitle and I'm adding right eye. So I can put where in the video I want to place this. If I again I see that I trim it a little more. I go to trim clip, trim it a little more. I press OK. Go to the second clip. So again crop, reduce the crop. Subtitles. So again I put subtitle. I put left eye, and I can put the subtitles for a particular period of time. So this is the first part of the clip. I can add another subtitle, and I can even use different colors, different fonts. So let's say I put font like this, and I want to mark this here, so I can mark that area. Okay, and let's play. Okay, so that is how I can edit the clip. We can also put picture in picture, in which you can add a picture into the image. So I click picture in picture, which is PIP. I have to select a file from what I have already saved in the phone. So here are some, okay, this is a picture from the same patient. So I can put this here, and I can put the timing for this picture to come much later in the video. So I want it to come after the title goes off. I press OK. I can rotate this if I want to. Now let me put a transition between the three clips. So between the first and second clip, I am putting a transition of a fisheye effect. Like this. And between the second and third clips, I am putting a division. Okay. There are several things more which you can do with these tools, which include voiceovers, filters, overlays, adding other elements. You can change the speed of the videos. You can adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation. So let's try that. I'm going to increase the saturation and the sharpness. Contrast, okay, brightness, right, and let me add a vignette, that is a background white, black. So let's see how it goes. Let me save this. This is how you save the project. This is a real-time video editing. So this is how much time it can take to process the image on, this is a OnePlus 3T smartphone. It's an old version. The Filmora Go logo will be there. So now I can edit it, I can save it to the camera roll, or I can send it directly to YouTube from this menu. I am saving it to the camera roll, and that is done. So I hope that is helpful for you. Thank you and have a good day.